Every business expert in the world will agree. There are basically only 4 ways to make money. 1. As an employee. 2. Being self-employed. 3. Investment. 4. Owning a business. Being an employee might be attractive to some, but you must realize even with a government job you're always just one day away from being fired, laid off, furloughed or retired. A lot of people go out on their own and become self-employed. This is great for tradesmen, artists, and freelancers. But you are still trading time for money and you can only do so much in a day. Investment is great if you have money and time. But you know what they say, it takes money to make money, and there can be a ton of risk. The 4th way, everyone agrees, is the smartest way. Owning a business. A business that can scale, can expand beyond your city, state, or country. A business that can make money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A business that works whether you are there or not. And that is what we have to offer. A turnkey business in one of the largest industries in the world. Online sales. Online sales are expected to reach $4.9 trillion this year. With a market cap of 4.6 billion internet users, our business is poised to offer every single internet user products and services they desperately need and want. Who is this company? Onpassive. Onpassive is the last business you will ever need. Whether you decide to be active or passive, you will win. Passive. Get in as a paid founder and you will win by letting the company automate the entire process for you. Active. Get in as a paid founder and share with others and you will win faster. Either way, you win. Onpassive is a 100% automated company that creates an internet business for you. Your very own online franchise. Onpassive automatically sells its tools and products for your internet business it created for you so that you make money as customers are automatically generated for you. All these products are products that will attract everyone from personal use to entrepreneurs, small, medium and large companies, enterprises to K-12 schools, universities, governments and yes, even the military. How will you make money? Onpassive uses artificial intelligence, AI, to drive targeted traffic to your website. The website that was created for you by Onpassive through automated guaranteed advertising and marketing. Onpassive provides all the information about your business to your visitors, follows up with your visitors, answers their questions and closes the sale, all through an automated process that is 100% done for you. When a sale is made, you get paid instantly. Over time that adds up to thousands to tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands as the company continues to generate customers for you, over and over again. A company with all walks of life will be succeeding. A business that pays you in multiple ways and allows you to grow a global network. A business that offers the best type of compensation in the world. True automated residual income. And, it doesn't matter if you have an MBA from a university or this is your first business or anything in between. Because everyone watching this has the exact same opportunity. Male or female. Young or old. Experience or not. Everyone has a level playing field. All you need to do is get in. It is that simple. A phenomenal growing industry with absolutely perfect timing. Find out more. Find out how you can get started in this exciting industry. Find out what automated residual income really looks like. As of today, you still have the opportunity to become a founder. Onpassive is prepared to disrupt the internet as we know it today. Become a founder today while the price is still $97. Becoming a founder is by private invitation only. Get back to the founder who shared this with you to get started. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Richard Branson. Thank you for watching. Art Escutia, California, a Bill Must production.